From solar eclipse to moment of inertia to reproduction of human anatomy. These models will soon be added to theoretical learning in some of the schools in rural India. It is a part of activity-based education to generate curiosity among underprivileged students and make learning more fun. Public sector undertaking NTPC has taken these initiatives to transform rural education and make hands-on learning accessible to students in rural areas. It launched 3 mobile science labs carrying working science models covering topics in physics, chemistry and mathematics. Union Power Minister Piyush Goyal flagged off these mobile science labs from New Delhi on Monday.
It's a very innovative concept by which we can ignite the spirit of inquisitiveness, the spirit of scientific learning, the spirit of open thinking, which the young boys and girls in rural areas are known for. We have produced some of the best scientists who have come out of schools in very remote rural areas. Also to think differently, to learn better and faster and produce the scientists of the future.
Over 300 hands-on models will be used to teach and demonstrate experiments to students up to secondary school level. A mobile service lab will focus on visiting schools, practical experience on creating low-cost models, organize science fairs and activity camps, and training teachers at the school. The 3 mobile science labs will initially be deployed at NTPC projects at Darlipalli, Pakhri Barwadi, Kahalgaon through Agastya International Foundation.
When this idea came from Agastya, we realized it is one of the wonderful things for the budding kids of class 7, 8, 9, 10 when they grow up in the school career. And when they are taught theory, the same day if you show them a demo, for example, say the example of solar eclipse. When you teach solar eclipse in a class in a particular day, same day after the theory is over, if those children who are taught solar eclipse are exposed to a physical demo like this, the whole life they will not able to forget what is a solar eclipse.
Each mobile science unit is expected to cover a set of about 20 schools around NTPC projects, reaching out to nearly 16,000 students per year and making studies more enjoyable. Such initiatives will also propagate creative thinking among impoverished children in the country. Arun Nayal's report, DD News.